my bad. I totally didn't see you there.
No worries at all. You're good.
Yeah, sorry about that. I was checking my phone like an idiot.
Happens to everyone. Don't sweat it.
Cool. Appreciate it.
Honestly, that was the most American apology ever.
What, my bad?
Yeah, Americans love that phrase. It's like, I messed up, but let's not make it a big deal.
Exactly. If you say, I sincerely apologize, now it sounds like something serious happened.
Yeah, that would feel intense, like HR is about to get involved.
Right? For small stuff, it's always short. My bad. Oops. Sorry about that.
And the response matters too. If someone says, my bad, you don't say, I forgive you.
Yeah, that would be weird.
You say, no worries, all good, you're fine.
Or, my favorite, it's cool.
Exactly, it closes the moment. Conversation keeps moving.
Beat. What about excuse me? That one changes a lot with tone.
Yeah, soft tone, excuse me, sorry, that's polite.
But sharp tone, excuse me? Now that's confrontation.
Yeah, now you're mad.
Same words, totally different meaning.
That's very American, actually. Tone does half the work.
Small laugh. So if you forget a small detail, like a meeting time,
You don't overdo it. Just say, oh shoot, my bad, I spaced.
and the other person usually goes, hey, no worries,
Exactly. Nobody wants a long apology for a small mistake.
because then it gets awkward.
Yeah, casual apology equals social smoothness.
Beat. So the rule is small mistake, small apology.
Always. Save the big apology for big things.
Got it. My bad for overthinking it.
See, you're already doing it right.
You know what's funny? Sometimes Americans don't even say sorry.
Facts. They'll just say, oh, yeah, that's on me.
Or, that's my fault.
Which is basically an apology without sounding emotional.
Yeah, it's like acknowledging the mistake, but not stopping the conversation.
Exactly. Because the goal isn't guilt. The goal is move on.
Beat. What about when someone else messes up?
That's where Americans are surprisingly chill.
Yeah, someone spills coffee on your desk.
They go, oh my God, I'm so sorry.
And you're expected to say, all good, no worries, it happens.
Even if inside you're like, this was my laptop.
Right, but socially you downplay it. Beat. If you get angry in that moment, it feels too much.
Yeah, now you're breaking the unwritten rule.
Which is, keep things light unless it's serious.
Exactly.
Small pause. Another one I noticed, people say sorry when it's not their fault.
Oh yeah, like, oh, sorry, can I just squeeze past you?
That sorry doesn't mean apology, it means social permission.
Yeah, it's social friction control.
Nice way to put it. Small laugh. So if you bump into someone lightly,
My bad.
if you interrupt,
Sorry, real quick.
if you forget something small,
Oops, that's on me.
pause. But if you over-apologize,
Now it feels awkward.
like you're dragging the moment,
Yeah, Americans hate dragging moments.
beat. So the real skill isn't saying sorry.
It's knowing how much sorry to say.
Exactly. Short silence.
Honestly, once you get this,
Daily conversations get way easier.
less stress, less overthinking.
More flow.
Very American flow.
You know what really confuses people?
Let me guess. Excuse me.
Exactly, because tone changes everything.
Yeah, excuse me, smile is polite. Excuse me, neutral is neutral. Excuse me, angry is basically a warning.
Same words, totally different meaning.
That's peak American communication.
Beat. Like in a store, someone blocks the aisle.
You say, excuse me, but your voice goes up at the end.
Soft, friendly.
But if someone cuts in line,
Now it's flat, low. Excuse me.
and everyone understands, yeah, that wasn't okay.
Beat. Another thing, my bad is super casual.
Right, you don't use it with your boss, unless your boss is chill.
But you can say, sorry about that, my mistake.
Still casual, still American, just one level more professional.
Pause.
Americans love these middle ground phrases.
Not too formal, not too emotional.
just enough to keep things smooth.
Short silence. And when someone apologizes to you,
You don't lecture them.
you don't say, "It's okay, everyone makes mistakes."
That actually sounds heavy.
Instead,
No worries. All good. You're fine.
quick, clean, conversation continues. Beat.
That's the pattern.
Acknowledge, release, move on.
If you hold on to it,
Now it's awkward.
small laugh,
So yeah, apologizing in American English
is less about the words
and more about timing, tone, and letting it go. Pause. Once you get that,
you stop sounding stiff
you stop overthinking,
and you start sounding natural.
like you belong in the conversation.